In this video, I'm going to show you how to write code with AI. AI has now advanced a lot faster, so much so that AI can write all the codes needed for you. And there is a new feature of OpenAI, which is called the ChatGPT. So firstly, to get started, let's head over to a web browser and in the search bar, search for openai.com. After you land on this website, you can scroll down and head over to ChatGPT. And again, scroll down a bit and click on Try ChatGPT. Now from here, you can type in anything that you want it to make, any code that you need. So for this example, I'm exactly gonna click this one, which is how do I make a HTTP request on JavaScript. So you can do any of the language, it doesn't matter. It gives you the code of any of the language and even frameworks of JavaScript such as React or even frameworks of Python and other programming languages. You can type in something like this and you can hit enter. And watch the codes get written for you. So as you can see, it has completed writing the codes and this code is written in JavaScript. But if you didn't want it in JavaScript and if you want it in any other framework such as React or Angular, you can just type it in and it will write you the codes in that particular framework. So that's it. That's how you can write codes using AI.